Hi, my name is Darren Joseph from HTJ.tax. We're the team that seeks to demystify that sometimes confusing world of international tax. Today we have the honor and privilege of speaking with Christophe. Christophe, can you please introduce yourself?
First of all, thank you for having me, Darren. So I'm Christophe Nomads. I'm a French citizen based in Singapore for over 10 years now. And I'm specializing in wealth management, exactly wealth protection and wealth mobility in gold investment.
Fantastic. Let's go on to the protection part of it. Obviously, using services such as yours, it offers not just a diversification, but protection as well, because unfortunately, depending on where you are, security can be a concern. And services such as yours would offer a protection of the asset, but also by taking that full package and looking at other residences and other physical locations, it offers protection potentially for yourself and your family physically as well. Protection of the assets and protection of person. Do you want to say something about that?
And you mentioned we're talking about protection of assets. You also have to understand that it means that you don't have to be tied to the financial system. And this is the essence même of a plan B. It's you are still being able to maneuver in the world, but out of the financial crisis, out of the banking system, out of another counterparty. Everything it's under your name, everything it's for you, everything it's you have access to. You don't depend on someone else. And this is the first protection layer that I can see. You are able to have your assets in another country, but are you sure that you don't need to go through someone to get access to it? And as long as you are sure you mitigate this risk, you are protected, or you did your best in order to get your protection for your asset. And as you mentioned, for the family, this is the same thing. You say, now I have this, my usual residency and my usual passport, but I still have a second one. Help me to go to a safe place, depending on the situation. This is a way of protecting you and your family. Yes.
The idea of portability of assets is perhaps more important now than within recent history, because that risk mitigation and that diversification hinges on the ability to carry your wealth or to have access to your wealth in varying jurisdictions, regardless of the geopolitical constraints. Christophe, thank you very much for sharing some of your time and expertise. If people want to reach you, what's the best way to find you?
If you want to reach me, the best way will be on LinkedIn, also on our website, gold.com.
That's GAULD.com.
GAULD, exactly. Thank you for GAULD.com. And AU is because this is the symbol of gold, actually.